Hello students, we have examples here on rules of differentiation. These examples will help you with your take-home test. There are four examples and we are asked to find the derivatives of all the four examples. Our side note here gives the trigonometric function, especially the derivatives of two basic trigonometric function. The first trigonometric function is y equals to sine x. Its derivative is equal to cos x. And the second function is y equals to cos x. Its derivative is equals to negative sine x. Alright, let's go through how to solve. Let's look at each of the examples one by one. Right, it says find the derivatives of, and number one, we have a function given as y equals x cubed plus 2x multiplied by 2x minus 1. These two functions are multiplied together, so we're going to apply product rule. Firstly, let's say u is equal to one of the function x cubed plus 2x, and v is equal to 2x minus 1. Then we find derivative of each of those functions that are multiplied. So derivative of u is 3x squared plus 2, and derivative of v is 2x. Then we apply our product rule. Product rule is given by derivative of u times v is equal to u multiplied by derivative of v plus v multiplied by derivative of u. Then we just simply substitute all of those above into our equation. So u will be x cubed plus 2x multiplied by derivative of v, which is 2x, 2, it's supposed to be 2. This is 2. Plus v, which is 2x minus 1, multiplied by derivative of u, which is 3x squared plus 2. Right, and then we multiply each of these together and each of these together. So multiplying 2 times this will give us 2x cubed plus 4x. Multiplying this together will take us a bit of time, so we go 2x times that, minus 1 times second bracket, and so we will have further simplifying, f this will give us 6x cubed plus 4x, and this will give us minus 3x squared minus 2. Then lastly we collect like terms, and that should be our answer. So we go 2x cubed plus 6x cubed will give us 8x cubed and minus 3x squared, and plus the sum of 4x and 4x, which is 8x, and eventually minus 2. And that's the answer to the first one. Our second function is given by y equal x squared plus 1 all over x cubed minus 1. Right, these two functions are divided together, so we'll be using the quotient rule. Firstly, let's say u is equals to the top function and v will be equal to the bottom function. and we find the derivative of u is equals to 2x, and the derivative of v will be equal to 3x squared. Right. Then we use the quotient rule. Derivative of u over x will be equal to v times derivative of u minus u times derivative of v all over v squared, and then we just simplify all of the above. So v is x cubed minus 1 multiplied by derivative of u is 2x minus u is x squared plus 1 multiplied by derivative of v, which is 3x squared, all over v squared. V is x to the power of 3 minus 1 squared. Then you go and multiply these together, simplify. So multiplying these two, we are going to have 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x. Multiplying these two, we are going to have 3x to the power of 4 plus 3x squared. Further simplifying, we go 2x squared minus 2x to the 4 minus 2x minus 3x to the 4 minus 3x squared all over x cubed minus 1 squared. Then we collect like terms. 2x to the 4 minus 3x to the 4 is negative x to the 4, then minus 3x squared minus 2x all over x cubed minus 1 squared. That's our answer for the second function. Now let's move on to the third function. Our third function is given by f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 4 in bracket to the power of 3. In this, we are going to apply chain rule because we have an inside function and outside function. The inside function is 2x cubed minus 4, and outside function is everything raised to the power of 3. So let's start by saying let u is equal to inside function. Then we rewrite outside function and say y is equals to u to the power of 3. And then we find derivative of inside function, which is 6x squared. And then we find derivative of outside function, which is 3u squared. And then we apply the chain rule. Chain rule would be given by derivative of f of g of x is equal to derivative of outside function multiplied by derivative of inside function. Our outside function above is y dash multiply inside function u dash. And then we substitute it, we go 3u squared multiplied by 6x squared. Multiplying across, we have 18x squared u squared, and then we resubstitute u or replace u with 3x squared minus 4, and finalize our answer. So our final answer will be 18x squared outside of 2x cubed minus 4 to the power of 2. That's our answer. Right, the last function is given by f of x equal 5 sine x. Again, we have two functions multiplied together. We apply product rule, and then we let u is equals to the first function, v is equals to second function. Then we find derivative of first function, derivative of v cos x. Then we apply product rule. Product of u times v is equal to u times derivative of v plus v times derivative of u. Substitute 5 times cos x plus sin x times 0. Now final answer is 5 cos x. Thank you for listening.